Block A with a mass of 4 kilograms that is at rest on a rough horizontal table is connected to another block B with a mass 8 kilograms by a light string passing over a frictionless pulley. A force F1 of magnitude 96 newtons is applied vertically upwards on block B as shown in the diagram below. Now, a force F2 of magnitude 75 newtons is now applied at an angle 25 degrees with the horizontal on block A, and the block accelerates to the left. The block accelerates to the left. The kinetic frictional force on block A is 11,76 newtons. So now ignore the effect of air friction. So ngaso sonke isikhathi information nabo unikezwa yona uyayibhala eduze kwaleyo block leyo so that ungayikhohlwa ngalokhu ubuyela futhi uyofunda istatement. Lapha nje basisizile izinto ey'ningi bayibhalile. I-force apply ku-B bayibhalile. I-force apply ku-A bayibhalile. Frictional force abebangayibhalanga. Okay, la into eyenzakalayo badonsa ublock A, bamdonsa bamusa kwa-left. Badonsa ublock B, bamdonsela phezulu. So ngoba bemdonsa ublock B bemdonsela phezulu, abamdonseli ukuthi aye phezulu, bamdonsela ukuthi uma yehla ehle kahle, angaveli nje ehle ngespeed esikhulu. So kahle kahle le force lo F1 i-controla i-movement ka-block B njengoba yehle ukuthi ayehle gently. Then u-A njengoba simdonsela ukuthi amuve aye kwa-left. So since u-object A umuve uya kwa-left, sikhetha ukuya kwa-left as positive ngoba ila okuya khona system yethu. U-block A uya kwa-left. Khumbula-ke, since u-block A eya kwa-left exhumene no-block B, kuzokwenza ukuthi u-block B ehle. So sizokhetha ukuya phansi as positive ngoba yila kuya khona u-block B uya phansi, noma be-apply i-force yokumdonsela phezulu but uya phansi. Fana noma wehle emehleleni kube ibhara, awuliphushi ibhara but uyalidonsa ukuze ulicontrol ukwehla kwalo lingehli kakhulu. So nala yilento eyenzeka lapha naku-block B. So now draw a free body diagram. Okay, usunga-draw-ke ama-free body diagram. O-block A singaqala kuye. Ngamanje kuthiwa i-dot lakho likhulu kakhulu. Wonke ama-forces awasuke kwi-dot. Sine-force ehamba kanje. We-applied force of F2. Sine-tension force. Basitshenile laphaya ukuthi kune-frictional force experience of-block A. Wena njalo usebenzisa i-rule. Then bese kuba ne-normal force. So lama-forces wakho lawa a-wrong mangiwadobe kanje. Le FK, low tension force. This is the applied force. This is the normal force. This is FG. Laba ba-wrong mangibadobe kanje. Akufanele bebe kanje. Kufanele babe parallel to each other. So ngizobusebenzisa i-rule uzokwenza sure ukuthi lama-lines aba-parallel. Okay. So sudrawele i-free body diagram for ublock A abambuzile and amamaki laphaya akulawulile. So silindele 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Silindele ama-force awu-5 ngoba amamaki awu-5. Bese siza ngapha ku-block B. Block B uyayidwebela yena kwinaphuzana yakho kwi-question paper yakho abakubuzanga ngayo. But kuyakuphoqa ukuthi umdwebe because uzosebenzisa yona le free body diagram ma-calculation. So uzoba ne-force eyaphansi ube ne-force eyaphezulu. Okay, laphana bekusebenzisa le abayisebenzisile bathe laphaya u-F2 la bathe u-F1 la. Okay, ayiphelele-ke le khona enye iforce eyehla la. So le enye u-FG, le enye i-tension force. Ngiyafisa ukusho ukuthi le tension force le iyalingana nale ya tension force yalaphaya. Fanele ukwazi-ke lokho kuyalingana ngoba kusayintambo eyodwa exhumanise lama-block lawo. So ama-forces a-acta ku-B or ku-8 kg block awu-3 while a-acta ku-4 kg block awu-5. Okay, then sesingeza i-question ukuthi ithini i-question. Question ithi calculate calculate acceleration, calculate the tension. So sifuna acceleration futhi sifuna i-tension. So ukhumbuleke i-movement yala i-vertical. So nathi sizobheka lama-forces a-vertical enza ukuthi le object imove. Soba no-F net is equal to MA. Since i-object iyaphansi, ukuya phansi kuzoba positive and ama-forces ayaphansi a-positive. Ngakho sizoba no-FT plus FG minus i-force yaphezulu u-F1 is equal to MA. FT plus MG minus F1 is equal to MA. So sesiyasubstitute konke esikwaziyo. U-FT asimazi plus mese sidila ngala u-8 times 9,8 constant G. U-F1 u-96 is equal to ms u-8 acceleration asiyazi. So kule equations nama-unknown awu-2. Okay, singashalo kuyinamba 8 times 9,8 usikhiphela 78. So we have FT minus of plus 78,4 minus 96 is equal to 8A. 78 minus 96 or FT minus 17,6 is equal to 8A. So singasho sithi lo equation number 1 wethu bese siza kuleli block leli. So la u-F2 unama-component angaveli lapha kwe-free body diagram. Ngizowadoba ngolayini ohlukene njalo ngombala ohlukile ngoba vele kufanele siwaveze. So igama lalo u-F2 in Y direction, igama lalo u-F2 in X direction. ukhumbule ukuthi sitheni, sithe u-F2 in x direction kuzoba u-F2 cos of theta. Sathi u-F2 in y direction kuzoba u-F2 sin of theta. So ama-forces lana enza ukuthi i-object yethu imuve yilawa a-horizontal noma parallel to the surface. Spell F net wala. F net is equal to MA. Since object yethu iyakwa left, ama-forces ayakwa left are positive, like F2 in x direction is positive. Siminus wonke la ayakwa right. Siminus FT, siminus FK is equal to MA. U-F2 in x direction siyamazi u-F2 cos of theta minus FT minus FK sinikeziwe 11,76 is equal to i-mass esisebenza ngayo njengamanje u-4 times acceleration. So into edlisa abantu kulezi balo ile component le. Mangabe umuntu sekufanele substitute la, yena akafakwe u-F2 in x direction, ufaka u-F2 ezwa, shuthi yena la uzovela ayifakele u-75 njengoba unjalo, and sizoba wrong yonke lento le. Akusiye leya 75 owenza ukuthi object imove, but i-component yakhe, ingane yakhe oku F2 in x direction, qala uthole yona iyona ezongena la, hhayi loya F2, hhayi loya 75. So uma ususubstitute la sekuzoba u-75 cos i-angle sinikeziwe u-25 minus FT minus 11,76 is equal to 4A. 75 cos 25 baba 67,97 minus FT minus 11,76 is equal to 4A. Okay, 67,97 minus 11,76 uzosinikeza u-56,213 minus FT is equal to 4A. So njengamanje sesinama unknown awu-2, lo u-equation 2 wethu sesingakhona-ke manje ukuwa-add. Singasho sithi equation 1 FT minus 17,6 is equal to 8A plus ubani 56,213 minus FT is equal to 4A. So siyawahlanganisa lama equation omabili is equal to 4A something else around that. This is FT, not F2. FT. So kuzobuya u-FT njengoba enjalo, kubuye u-17,6 njengoba enjalo, kubuye u-positive 56,213 njengoba enjalo, ubuye u-minus ft njengoba enjalo, ubuye u-8a, ubuye u-positive 4a. Mawucheka la, khona ngathi kuyafana. Nakhuya. Kwenza njani? Siyakhanselana. Siyaqhubeka nendaba. Kusala la, ama-constant, minus 17,6 plus 56,213 kuzoba u-38,613. 8 plus 4, 12a, divide by 12, divide by 12. Then acceleration, hayi u-12a lo we-class, 12a lo acceleration. So 38,613 divided by 12, it will be 3,2177 meters per square second. Now, sinayi acceleration yethu. I-tension sekulula, singathatha noma ngabe yiphi equation eyi-1 sisubstitute kuyo. Sithathe le equation 1, ft minus 17,6 is equal to 8a. ft minus 17,6, 8 la khona a sifaka 3,2177. U-ft wethu 8 times an answer zoba 11,2177. Lo ngale transpose of the positive 17,6. ft will be equal to 11,217 plus 17,6 kusinikeza u-28,817 newtons. So sesiyitholile i-tension force, sayithola acceleration.